So the first one I'll talk about quickly is Graves' disease. So it is different than the other ones, okay? So it is different because, and the only reason I'm including it here is because the end result of Graves' disease is an increase in these things called GAGs I'm going to talk about, glycoaminoglycans. And that's basically these large carbohydrate structures that can hold water, okay, in the extracellular matrix. And so Graves' disease causes an increase in them. It's an autoimmune disease, which increase dermal fibroblasts, which end up increasing GAG production, okay? I think I have more information there, okay? That's the take home though. So then we're gonna talk about mucopolysaccharidosis, MPSs, okay, and there's a few of them. Those have caused non-functional lysosomal proteins. So you might have a genetic defect that causes the protein, a lysosomal protein, to not be expressed, to not work, and that causes an increase in GAGs because you're not metabolizing them, right? You're not breaking them down. There's Sphingolipidosis. This is a class of diseases. We're not going to really cover much of this today. I'll cover Gaucher. But that also causes non-functional lysosomal proteins, okay? So this is a lipid defect type. Then there's oligosaccharidosis, and then there's mucolipidosis. So these three in the middle all have non-functional lysosomal proteins. The mucolipidoses have proteins that are unmodified, and so they don't get sent to the lysosome. So they could work, but they're just not being put into the right spot, okay? And so all of these ones are a decrease in lysosomal function,